You'd think these guys have never been to a pizza shop before. I mean, look at him, look. Look.
Yeah, we are going to pose in our different pics in different style. So let us.
Look, this is what they've been doing here. Posing in the pizza place to post on Snapchat. Today I am in the pizza, which is in the heart of Katima in the state of Uttarakhand. I've shifted from Uttar Pradesh and I'm here to try some of the pizza in India because I've eaten Indian food, Pakistani food wherever I've been, and I fancy to change because there's only so much of that type of food that you can eat. So I'm here at the pizza to try their pizza because as a one-off it's probably worth having for me because I've eaten so much food and my digestion can only take so much. And the thing with pizza is that, especially in some of these parts, is you'll find a lot of vegetarian food. So this place is known for vegetarian pizza, and this vlog really is to show a lot of the tourists that do come here that this sort of food is available here. There's many of the chains here such as Domino's and Pizza Hut and many of the others, but you also get lesser known places which have incredible taste. So let's try and find out what this taste at the pizza is like. So we've got the man Ashu here who instead of eating this pizza he wants to do some Snapchat shenanigans. This is what the youth of today do. They are on Snapchat, they are on Instagram, they are on Facebook and whatever else it's on because they want to tell their friends how important they are when the reality is they're not. You'd think these guys have never been to a pizza shop before. I mean, look at him, look. Look.
Yeah, we are going to pose in our different pics in different style. So let us.
Look, this is what they've been doing here. Posing in the pizza place to post on Snapchat. You've got these two clowns having a photo shoot here when we're ordering pizza. Here, try and get. How is this pizza? Pizza ke dam garba dasi. Sach dasi. Gapna mari. Is it good? Good. बढ़िया है, स्वाद है. Domino's नालों बढ़िया. Domino's नालों बढ़िया. So he reckons it's better than Domino's. I just chose Domino's. I actually don't like Domino's pizza anyway. I did do a vlog on it, mind you, when I was at Delhi airport. In Indira Gandhi International Airport. I did try it there. I haven't eaten it since then, but we've got the main man here, the foodie. He is the food vlogger really. Or actually he just eats. ठीक है मज़ा आ रहा. So he's saying he's enjoying it, he's enjoying himself. I'm not surprised. He will eat anything. So I'm having a look to see what this pizza is like. So let's have a look. It's got sweet corn, it's got paneer cheese, cottage cheese, tomato, sweet corn, peppers, mushrooms and onions. So let's have a look what this is like. He knows his food, he knows his pizza. So if ever you are down in this neck of the woods, a lot of tourists visit places like Nainital and other places nearby. If ever you are down in Katima, visit La Pizza because they're doing a good job here. They've got actually a extensive menu: pasta, sandwiches, burgers, fries, snakes. Snakes? Fries and snakes?
Spelling mistake.
Snacks, not snakes. No, you won't get snake here. It's fully vegetarian. So yeah, there's a spelling mistake on there. It's snake, not snakes, snacks. So enjoy your snacks, enjoy your pizza if ever you are down here.